Hey, this is Ray with Game Server Setup. Today we're just going to go over the Alpha 4 Reign of Kings dedicated server setup. It's a little bit different. Actually, it's not too different from early access games that we see. But basically all we're going to be, the dedicated server is actually included with the game files itself. It's part of the whole EXE program, the ROK. It's all there. It'll build itself as soon as we add just a simple little batch mode to it. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the beginning. So assuming that you downloaded this from Steam, there we go, you will have something that looks like this, Reign of Kings. Perfect. You could do a couple things here. You can go to Properties, and there should be Create Desktop Shortcut, which just creates a shortcut to the file. I don't recommend, I would actually go to Browse to Local Files, which will bring up this folder, this is the default path for me if you installed it on your C drive like I do, because I just have a solid state. I just load everything on there because I'm lazy. And then you'll have this. If this is a brand new download though, you'll be missing this configuration folder. This will not be created until the first time you try to start your server. And to start your server, you just right click on the rok.exe, and then you go ahead and send to desktop. Alright? And then from there, we'll get this, the ROK.exe shortcut. We right click on that, go down to Properties, and we'll see the Reign of Kings, and then I just added the batch mode. That's it. You run it once. So go ahead and double click it. As some people have commented, nothing shows up. I should have clarified this, and I'll change it in the guide to show you that it doesn't show up automatically. Like it doesn't show a command prompt window that some people are used to seeing. It actually shows up in your task manager. So right there, you see it's actually running. That's how you tell it's running. You see how much memory it's using, 1.6 gigs right now. And as people connect to it, you'll see the processing go up and all that fun stuff. So I'll edit that. Sorry, I should have clarified that, and that is a good point. Thanks for commenting on my blog about that, and we'll get that changed. So after you run it the first time, go ahead and close it, end the task. Done. Go back to there. We'll have this configuration folder now with the server settings, user CFG, and permissions. The developers have not really released any information on how this stuff works as of yet. In here we do have the basic server settings where you could add a password, change the port number. Don't do this though, because I'm sure it's going to jack up with some things. Change the players, so if you don't have a lot of hardware, change it, and change your server name. That's basically what we have the options right now. We have the options of survival and creative. I'm not sure what they do, but we'll figure it out later. This is an early build. We'll figure it out. Users, this is where we're going to be adding our admins later in life, I assume, or this might just be the blacklist. Actually, no, the permissions, I'm sure, is where the admins are going to go. Admins will be in permissions. I have not really played with this at all, and I believe we're going to be somewhere down here, the admin group permission, and they just have not clarified how to do this. So I'm still playing around with it. If I figure anything out, I'll redo this video and upload it. And but as of right now, I don't know how that works, but go ahead and check the blog. I have a tab on the blog, it'll be under Archon, where I'll go ahead and change at the different time when it's ready. That's all that really we have so far for the Reign of Kings server. Make sure you forward the port 7350, and that should allow you to connect to it. Oh, one more thing. If you're running this on your machine, you can't play on your machine unless you get a different EXE. So go ahead and copy the whole Reign of Kings folder to a virtual machine or whatever, and I believe you should be able to play at the same time your server's running. Don't quote me on it. I actually haven't tried it. I probably should. I'll try it and I'll let you know on my blog, or I'll add a little comment or something here. I'll create a virtual machine and give it a shot. For Linux, I am currently testing it with Ubuntu, but I haven't been able to get a stable version yet. So as soon as I get a stable version, I will update that and create a video on how to get the running on Ubuntu, Linux, all that fun stuff. Anyways, enjoy Reign of Kings. I hope this video helped you out and hope clarify some things for people. And if you have any questions, send me a comment, and that should be it. Thanks. Bye.